In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks on ClickUp. This is a very useful feature that helps you break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable parts, ensuring you stay organized and efficient. So, let's get started right away. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your ClickUp space, folder, or list where you have the task you'd like to add a subtask to. Think of this as your workspace, the home base for all your projects and tasks. Once you're there, you'll need to find the specific task that requires the subtask. Clicking on the task will open it up, displaying all its details and options. Now, focus your attention on the section labeled Add Subtask. This is where you'll be able to create a new subtask beneath your main task. It's straightforward. Simply click on the Add Task button. This is where the real magic happens. Here, you'll enter whatever details are necessary for the subtask you're creating. It could be a specific detail that needs attention, a step in a larger process, or a smaller goal that contributes to the completion of the larger task. It's all about getting as specific as possible to ensure clarity and focus. After you've entered all the relevant details for your subtask, it's time to fine-tune it a little more. Customization is key in ClickUp. It lets you mold each subtask to precisely fit your project's requirements. Depending on what you need, you can set due dates, assign responsible team members, or even add tags to help categorize it more effectively. By taking advantage of these options, you ensure your subtask is fully optimized for your workflow. Once you've customized everything to your satisfaction, the final step is to click Save. This action secures all the changes you've made and officially adds the subtask beneath your main task. And that's it. You've successfully created a subtask on ClickUp. Remember, breaking down tasks into subtasks can significantly enhance your productivity by creating a clear path to completion for each project. It ensures every detail is accounted for and nothing falls through the cracks. By consistently using subtasks, you can maintain a clear overview of what needs to be done, who is responsible, and how much time you have to achieve it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial on creating subtasks in ClickUp helpful. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher on the process. Keep exploring and take full advantage of ClickUp's powerful tools to enhance your project management skills. See you next time.